It seems throughout human history that we have put on other clothes other than love. We've put on tribalism, or we've put on individualism. And yet it seems as though the whole great narrative of the Bible and this Galilean Jesus is this idea that we are all in this together, that we are all one, that it's actually not our differences that divide us. Those are the very things that make the great tapestry that is the human experience, that colors and textures and different thoughts and different foods and different ideas, and I dare say even different political perspectives are sharpening us and growing us. And that we can relate to one another, not because we're similar, but on the contrary, we can relate to one another because we can see that we're fearfully and wonderfully made, and that there is this great love that we can tap into and see past our own faults and flaws to really see the heart of others, and see past their faults and flaws because we were greatly forgiven. And so I encourage you today to find it in you under God to relate to someone who thinks and acts and looks and votes different from you.